This video is for number 25 on practice test number 2. A basketball player scored 33 points in one game. So it's a mixture of 3.2 points and a free throw, right? In basketball, some baskets are worth 3 points, some are worth 2 points, and free throws are worth 1 point. Okay? So it's a mixture of 3 of these types of shots that he made and got 33 points in total. Okay? He scored 4 more 2-point baskets than he did 3-point baskets. Okay? The number of free throws equal the sum of the number of 2 points and 3-point shots made. Now this is, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get my notepad because I don't think I can solve this in my head or explain this in my head. Okay, so how about we bring in some variables, okay? 3 points, let's just go with x, y, and z. Let x be the number of 3-point shots. We want this to be big, right? Or let y be the number of 2-point shots he made. And lastly, let z be the number of free throws. These are just 1 point, right? Oh, I should be a little more specific. I should say z is the number of free throws. So we know what x, y, and z are. So what we can do is looking at the first sentence right here. He made 33 points in a single game. So I'm going to say the number of 3-point shots multiplied by 3 plus the number of 2-point shots multiplied by 2 because they're 2 points, and the number of free throws he made add up to 333 total. Okay, so that's the first equation. Now look at the second sentence. He scored 4 more, that's going to be 4 plus, right? Adding 4 more. 2 points basket than he did 3-point baskets. So what we can say is y, the number of 2-point shots, is 4 more than 3-point shots. So x plus 4. So the second part is good. Let's look at the last equation. The number of free throws, the number of free throws equaled. So remember we said z is the number of free throws. Z equals the sum of the number of 2 points and 3-point shots made. Okay, so add up the x and y. That should equal the number of free throws. So we set up this system. All we need to do is we just need to solve this. I'm going to go ahead and solve these for x, y, and z. Sometimes we look at a system and we're just like, we have no idea how to solve this. So, you know, the way the equations are set up, like y equals, z equals, is telling me to substitute. I don't know, I just feel like substituting. So I'm gonna go ahead and try something, okay? I'll go ahead and substitute this into y, because that's what y is, isn't it? So this will replace that red circled y. What else? I'm gonna go ahead and substitute this y plus x plus y for z, okay? I don't know where this will go, but you know, I'll just try it. So I'll get 3x plus 2 times, instead of y, let's plug in x plus 4 in there. So far so good, because the only letter is x here. Next, I'm going to do plus and z. And z is what? X plus y. And oh, that's not good, because now I have a different variable y. And that equals 33. I was going to solve this, but listen, we do know what y is. If you take a look at this equation right here, I have x. So that's a good news. I only have one letter so far. But here, I have y. Uh-oh, you know what? There's another x. That's good. But there is a variable y. And I don't want this y. I want this y to be x. Okay? Because I just need a single variable to solve an equation. So I can substitute one more time. Okay, we know what y is. So hold on. I'll try to color code this. You see? That's what y is. So I'm going to substitute it one more time. So that's going to be 3x plus 2 times x plus 4 plus x times x plus, what's y? X plus 4, right? All that equals 33. And this kind of awkward looking x plus 4 is what y is. So I substituted. Okay, let's go ahead and solve this equation because the only variable here is just x. We should be able to solve for x. I'm going to distribute the 2. 2x plus 8 plus, if you add these two together, x plus x is 2x plus 4 equals 33. Let's combine some like terms. I have 3x plus 2x, that's 5x, another 2x. So in total we have 7x. And if I add up 8 plus 4, that's 12. Oh, that equals 33. Subtract 12 from both sides. I get 11. What? Oh no. Oh, scared the crap out of me. 21. So if I divide both sides by 7, I get x is equal to 3. So this person had 3 3-point shots. He made 3 3-point shots. I need to find the y value and the z value. So remember x is 3, I'm going to go up here. If x is 3, look at this for me. If x is 3, 3 plus 4 is what? 3 plus 4 is 7. We just got that y value is equal to 7. What did y stand for? Y is the number of 2-point shots. So y is 7. He made 7 2-point shots. And how many free throws did he make? Let's find it. Remember x is 3, right? X is 3. X is 3. What was y? We just found that y is 7. So if you do 3 plus 7, what is z? Z is 10. So we got it. He made 10 free throws. It's a difficult problem, but you can do it. I think what was confusing is just the extra numbers. 3-point, 2-point, 1-point. But let's go ahead and submit this to see how we did on number 25. So if I go back in, I should not see number 25 again. It should be marked correct. That's good. So that's it for number 25 on this practice test.